Please do not get life insurance until you understand this video. Hey guys, my name is Erick Ramos. I'm an independent life insurance broker. And today we're going to be talking about how to shop for life insurance. What are some key things I need to understand before I purchase a life insurance? Because you want to make sure your family gets what you pay for. So let's get right to it. First, you need to understand the purpose. What is the purpose of this life insurance policy? Is it to cover your burial expenses? Is it to replace your income? Is it to pay your debt like a mortgage or a personal loan? Or is it to leave an inheritance? That will help you determine what type of insurance do you need. The second thing you need to understand is what is your risk? What is the financial risk by not getting this life insurance policy? If the risk is pretty low, you don't need it. If the risk is pretty high, you should get it. An example would be you have enough money or your family has enough money to pay for your burial expenses. Well, your financial risk is very low. If you have a mortgage or you have family that depend on your income, and if you pass away sooner than later, well, that'll be a pretty high risk financially for your family. The third factor you need to understand is price. You need to make sure that it fits your budget. Do not overspend in life insurance. You need to make sure that you're able to pay it every month in good months as well as in bad months, because that is protecting your family financially. A lot of people are unable to keep up with their life insurance policies, and that happens. But if they want to reapply for another one, well, now it's more expensive, or they might not qualify because of health issues. Also, get what you need, not what you want when it comes to coverage. A lot of people want to leave a lot of money behind for the family, but if it doesn't fit the budget, don't do it. The other factor you need to understand is what type of insurance you're looking for. Are you looking for a term? Are you looking for a whole life? Or an IUL? Or an accidental policy because you're a truck driver? You need to understand which one you're looking for. Are you looking for something that covers you day number one? Or you're okay waiting 2 years for natural causes because of health issues? There's nothing wrong with each policy. Just make sure you understand what you're signing up for. A lot of people sign up for things and they didn't know. Last week I had a client that she thought she had a life insurance policy, but it was only an accidental policy. So please make your due diligence when it comes to that. The other factor you need to understand is agent. Make sure that your agent is able to work with multiple insurance companies if possible, so they can get you the best coverage at the best price. And make sure that you trust that person, because we get paid in commission and some companies pay us higher than others. So your agent needs to have your best interest at hand, not their pocket. The other factor you need to understand is the company. What company are you signing up with? If the company is a very well-known company, you should be fine. But if you're not aware of that company or you never heard of it, that's not a problem necessarily. Make sure that they have financial strength to pay their claims. Sometimes insurance companies take too long to pay their claims. The other factor you need to understand is riders. What are some riders that comes with your life insurance policy? A rider is an addition to your policy that provides with extra coverage or extra benefits. Let me give you an example. An example of a rider would be a critical illness rider. A critical illness rider gives you the option to use the death benefit while you're alive in the event of a critical illness, so it can help you financially. Another example would be a terminal illness rider. A terminal illness rider allows you to use the death benefit in the event of a terminal illness, so you can spend that money while you're alive with your family. So please, before you sign up for a policy, understand all those factors so you can make the right decision and not regret it. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and if you have more questions, reach out. Either myself or one of our agents will definitely help you. As I always say, some coverage is better than none. See you in the next one.